In today's world, science isn't just about passing exams. It's about understanding how the world truly works. At Ajiro Tech Tutoring, we help students master the sciences, physics, chemistry, and biology across all major exam boards, AQA, Edexcel, and Cambridge International. With our team of qualified tutors, every session is designed around you, your pace, your goals, your success. We don't just teach, we build confidence, critical thinking, and curiosity. And now, we're proud to say we are officially registered right here in England, in the UK, delivering trusted, high quality online tutoring that meets British educational standard. Whether you're preparing for GCSE, IGCSE, or A levels, Ajiro Tech gives you the tools to achieve your best result from the comfort of your home. Because with the right guidance, science becomes simple, success becomes natural, and learning becomes limitless. Begin your journey today at ajirotech.com or message our sales team info@ajirotech.com or ajirotech@gmail.com. Ajiro Tech Tutoring, where understanding leads to excellence.